Welcome back to Daytime Live. So right now we're joined by the beautiful Khalia. She did her first TV performance right here on Daytime Live.
Yes,
and
I
now
did.
she's back. What's up?
I'm
to see
good.
you.
How are you guys? It's been a long time.
It's been a long time.
Yes,
I was
man.
saying where was the phone calls, but that's okay.
But where was my
That's
phone call?
Next time. Next
Oh.
time. All right.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so
That's
since we've
between us.
spoken to you such a long time ago, what you been up to?
Oh, I've been up to so much. You know, I've been shooting some more videos and growing my craft. You know, as an artist, you have to
Keep
practice
learning
and
and
keep
keep
learning
growing,
and keep
yeah.
perfecting. And people are really gravitating. I'm gaining fans from all over the world: Brazil,
Excellent. Nice.
Colombia,
Excellent.
England.
That's
Big up the
right.
London Massive. Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, I've just been
Yeah.
doing that, putting in the work. You know.
Good job. And I saw the video actually on YouTube, and it was amazing.
Yeah,
I know
yeah.
you previewed it here, but I've seen people sharing it and talking about it as well.
Yeah, and I
so-
have new videos out. I mean, I have one dance with iOctane.
Yeah.
I has
Okay.
over 200,000 views on YouTube now as well.
Excellent.
And my new
Excellent.
one, Summer Body, which is doing really well.
Yeah.
You know, I just, yeah.
All in the winter.
I can't
do
really,
it.
I can't subscribe to that one. When you have the winter body, then I'm ready for
Everybody have the Summer Body. That's the
No, you
thing.
need to see the video.
The Summer Body. Yeah, she does, right?
That's inspiration.
Yeah.
So you are going to be performing for the Miss Jamaica Universe show, right?
Yes.
And it's going to be on TVJ, everybody. You know,
Yes,
so we're going to be
live.
airing that live here. What can we expect from that performance?
It's going to be my most, can I say, explosive
Of course you
performance?
can, yes.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of fun. I have some surprises as well, so make sure you guys tune in. If you can't get there, make sure you guys tune in because it's going to be
It's
nice.
going to be
It's
hot.
gonna nice.
It's gonna nice. It's
Yeah.
going to be hot. Yes.
Nice. I will not talk 1 minute right.
No,
I was gonna say that.
The rice here, the rice it a bubble up,
Yeah.
Bubble up.
and we make
Pressure
it
cook
simmer
and everything.
and
and-
all them something.
Cook
there.
and
man.
milk.
Yeah, cook. Yeah, you put the little pepper in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're one of us, man. We
What
appreciate
you going to
that.
perform for us today?
I'm going to do one dance, which is with iOctane, but by myself.
So,
Yeah.
all right, we'll take it away. And
Do your
we'll
thing.
come back and
Stage
have a
is
quick
yours,
chat
Khalia.
after. All right.
Sure.
One dance, one dance. Let me tell you a story about what one dance can do and where you put me through. Let me tell you a story about what one dance can do and where you put me through. No, I never had no enemies, just some frenemies now. I know you make some like a gallery, she's a wannabe, oh. And she a hold you up and rub you down, oh you lose it ground. Not even on the other side of town, so I don't hear a sound. Leave me and don't come back. What you want, wanna take my role. I step aside, me no want hear that. Oh, 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 oh. Let me tell you a story about what one dance can do and where you put me through.
Isn't a girl trying to suck her down? Let me tell you a story about what one dance can do. And when you come down, no one
Oh,
try. So go ahead.
you're telling me 1 + 1 is 4. I see through you like a bad contour. So go ahead, put the blame on me. Your body's strong, but your mind's still weak. See from you moving like it's soaring. My love for you will stop performing, darling. And now I see you can't be tamed. You and I not the same. Leave me and don't come back. What you want, wanna take my role. I step aside, me no want share that. Oh, 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 oh. Let me tell you a story about
Listen up.
what one dance can do and where you put me through. Oh no, oh. Let me tell you a story about what one dance can do and where you put me through.
Let me tell you a story about
Tell me,
what one dance can do what you put me through.
What did I do?
Let me tell you a story about what one dance can do. What you put me through.
You guys can check out the full video on YouTube as well. Make sure you tune into that.
Mad.